Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Sunnyvale local and long-distance movers near me. Our movers are ready to help. From supplying packing materials, packing your things, moving all of your boxes, and even unpacking them on your behalf are all part of the complete service our company provides. We aren't in the business of wasting your time. Expect us right on schedule for a smooth, easy move. Transparency is important to us, so we offer free quotes for all of our customers up front. Affordable pricing for fast service while keeping all of your precious belongings safe is why our company has been around for over 20 years. We can move customers out of state, across the country, or even internationally. Our professional movers are trained on how to pack all of your things securely, including furniture, electronics, and all of your other valuables. We want to keep all of your things safe for a long-distance trip, so make sure to use our services for every part of the move, from packing to unpacking. Sticking around the Sunnyvale area? While it might sound like a good idea to try to move things yourself to a new home or office nearby, you'll probably change your mind once you realize that you'll break quite the sweat, and it'll take you days to do it. Our movers have plenty of experience moving residential and commercial clients, so you can rest easy after we move your belongings locally in only a few hours. Expect to kick back in your lounge chair at the end of the moving day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sunnyvale moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.